Yo, what is going on, guys? Extended Reality here, and in this video I'm going to be playing Just Cause 3, and I actually recorded this video with Vex, but you know, Mixer, they always, I don't know, like all the previous streams just disappear for some reason. I don't know why, but they really need to fix it. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be playing some Just Cause 3. You know, I got bored, you know, like I was just saying, what the hell? Just cause. Just cause, get it? Okay. I wouldn't be surprised if you clicked off the video.
Hello, Rico. Welcome back to Medici. This is Alicia.
Shut up.
Radio del Revolucion.
I don't care.
Mario told me that you're looking to liberate the Talamagia and destroy the Vis Electra plant. I have to say, I cannot wait to see you in action.
I have to say, I can't wait till you stop talking. There we go. My dream has come true. Oh yeah, what I love doing in this game is wingsuiting. Forgot that was a thing for a second. Oh! Oh, man. Yeet. Hey, have you guys ever seen Spider-Man Homecoming? You mind holding on this for a second? Thanks. Oh, I misspoke, and I also missed. Hey, can you hold on to this for a second? Thanks.
Let's do this.
Ah!
All available units to these coordinates. Repeat, all units to these coordinates.
Stop. No. No!
Shield yourself, idiota.
You know, the game would be a lot cooler if you could aim down the sights and sprint.
Do not let him escape.
Two things that would make this thing legendary. Oh my god, stop. How could you?
We need
Wait, is that a
reinforcements.
shotgun? Oh, yes it is. That is mine.
Understood. We are providing additional manpower at your location.
Wait, I can use the freaking the machine gun. To slow them down. Oh, there's one right here. Get the grabber!
Initializing search protocol.
Oh, no.
Find the target as soon as possible.
Yes!
This is dispatch. Did we get him? You. What's going on?
Coming with
Report.
Oh, I have a machine gun. Nobody said I could detach it. What the crap? Alright, well, I'm not carrying that with me.
Hey! What are you doing up there?
I what? Okay. Well, traffic is holding up over here, so I'm just gonna keep flying.
Our symbols of hope. In my voice, your
Perfect.
voice finds strength.
Shut up.
In my will, your will burns fear
Shut up.
to ash.
Perfect. Oh my goodness. I have people on me? You serious? Get over here. Don't your punk self freaking call nobody. No! Great.
We have reports
got-
of violence.
I'm gonna fly away for a second, okay? Somebody's calling me to this area. It's the speaker. Can I pull the whole thing down? I'll shoot it. Whatever. That did nothing. And I'm out of shotgun ammo, so that's fantastic. No. You called reinforcements 3 times. That's for Boon Bucket.
Sending additional reinforcements to your location.
I really think I'm dead at this game. I just shoot him up with it on the ground. The captain's dead. That's the best thing ever that could happen. Oh my god. Why? Shoot nobody.
Who's next?
Oh yes, I know what to do.
Target is at large.
Fire in the hole.
Reestablish visual contact immediately.
Our nation together.
Perfect. Ah. Nope. Stop it.
Protecting us from the evil.
You're not playing nice. Okay, what the heck is this? Oh,
Control. Request more units.
dual submachine guns.
Forces en
Okay.
route to your position. Eliminate
I
that
will
target
gladly
now.
take that. It's actually pretty good. Life finds a way.
Additional troops inbound.
So action-packed. I'm out of here. I'm dying today. No. Speaker. Wingsuit, wingsuit, wingsuit. No! Oh, I'm still alive? What? That was... Okay, that was unrealistic.
An elite response team is en
Oh,
route to
this
your
works.
position.
Is this gonna work? No way. Oh, that's cool. Oh god. I'm out. No, 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 no. I'm amazing. I'm perfect. I don't need any bullets. I'm okay on bullets actually. I'll pass. Oh my god, man. Okay.
All units, find the rebel. Pursue aggressively.
I want to get out of this. Oh, wait a second, I can do it from here.
My will and strength.
I don't want to waste no bullets on this
The
thing.
senses. Even indomitable spirits of
Got
our
one.
brave. The poisonous
Got two.
lies propagated to the diseased western.
There you go. Excellent. And I escaped. Perfect. Just absolutely perfect. Perfect.
Resume
Okay.
normal duties. Target has escaped.
I've been in the same area. Look, I'll prove it. Oh jeez, I didn't destroy the whole thing. Oh, that's it. What? I want to get it from a distance. Okay, this ain't happening. Oh, and I'm back to no, don't you dare.
Reports of violence in the area. All units converge.
I'm out. Alright, I'm just getting up. Okay.
We've lost visual contact. All units, fan out and search.
You're never gonna find me, man. I'm just.
We are sending ground support to your location.
Alright, well, I left that location, so good luck. And I escaped.
Attention all units, target escaped. Stay alert.
Woo! Woo! Stop. Okay. Whoa, are those boats?
I'll go for a drive this weekend. I can't remember the last time I went more than 5 kilometers without needing to pass a checkpoint.
What are you talking about? What?
Rico, our savior. Thank you
Shut
for everything you
shut up. I'm talking to her. What are you
Where
talking
you
about?
going?
What are you? I want to know what you're talking about. Something about kilometer. Oh, wow.
Take back our country. Viva la revolution.
Okay, time to create the human centipede.
You've inspired us to take back our country.
Human
Viva la
centipede.
revolution.
Rico.
I don't know whether to run or what. When do you think we can
It's the
have
human
a festival
centipede.
again?
Haven't you seen the human centipede?
We wear that night so much.
Let me in. Okay. Perfect. This is the slowest boat I've ever been in. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. I want to go back real quick and see what happens when I release the tethers. Are they still there? Oh my god. Hey, human centipede. How are you doing? I'm gonna let you guys go now, okay?
Without needing to pass a checkpoint.
These guys, they look the same. And they look like twins, so they're just staying the way they are. Alright, well. Trust me, they're not dead. If they were dead, then that one girl that ran away would be dead too. So just don't call me a murderer, because I ain't a murderer, man. Oh, is that a helicopter? Hold your horses. I wanna fly that helicopter, man. It's in the middle of the street too. Anybody that drives by here would be like, hey, I'm just gonna take a helicopter. There's literally no security at all whatsoever. They literally made this helicopter open for all people. Alright. Time to fly away. Oh. Wow. Okay.
In a way,
Wait, wasn't I just here? Wasn't this like at the beginning where I caused all that destruction? Oh, this looks different. Oh, this looks like an enemy base. Or is it? Ow. That hurt. That is not what I wanted. Try this again. I was waiting for it.
I'll raise the flag.
I'm raising this flag, man. Shotgun ammo! Finally! Oh yeah. Alright, we're raising this flag, boys. How do we do that? Wait. Okay. This seems like the place. Where do we raise the flag? No, we have to raise it, don't we? Because, I mean, look at the top left. Wait, what is this? Oh, it says raise all the way over there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Rico, head down to the docks at Manea. Have I got a proposition for you, amico? Over.
Okay, so apparently, oh,
Manea has been set free, my friends. The Di Ravello militia, or as it's more often called the DRM, has been tossed out. Vive la
so
revolution,
apparently I'm supposed to go over here.
Rico, you made it!
I'm here. What did you want to show me?
It's right in front of you, Rico. One of Mario's finest garages.
All I see is a blue building on a dock.
I'll show you. Here, head to these coordinates.
Wait, is that his garage? What in the world? What is this? Oh, it's all the way over there.
Are your garages always on docks?
Sometimes they're at docks, sometimes near airstrips, but they're all the same. You could bring any vehicle to anywhere. You could bring a boat to an airstrip if you wanted.
How would I get a boat to an airstrip?
I don't know, Rico. You're
Yep,
the one with the crazy
it's back.
grappling
The
hook. You
helicopter I
figured it out.
destroyed, they repaired.
True.
And they continue to use the same tactic.
My
But
point is,
in
you can bring
the
any
middle of the
vehicle to
street
any
so
of my
random people
garages.
can fly it.
But I assume I'll have to
I'll
liberate
take
the
it.
towns first. Wait, you want me to bring this scooter? Why?
Oh!
Don't worry about it, Rico. No one will miss it. Your map can help you find my garages. Go ahead.
I'm like, okay. Oh. Oh, now I gotta go all the
Why
way.
am I doing this?
I'm the equipment guy for the rebellion, Rico. I bring weapons and vehicles to the rebels all over Medici.
So I'm helping this dude by bringing a
But
bike
why
to
do
his
you
garage.
need this scooter?
You remember little Cecilia Crespo? The one with the bad breath, they called her Dracona? This is her bike. Beauty, eh? She made fun of my hair. She said it was crispy, so we play a little prank on her, eh? And it benefits you and the revolution to boot.
This
And how
freaking
does
Mario
the
dude
Sicilian
makes me
street-
want to punch myself in the eye. Oh. Did I just... Wow, I died by
Beast.
flying into a pole. It was literally a street pole, and I died from it. I have exploded from helicopter crashes on ground. I've been exploded by multiple RPG rounds, and apparently I survived those, but when I grapple onto a street pole, I die from that. Explain. I don't understand. Oh, I forgot the bike either way.
Why am I doing this?
Oh, so I'm delivering a bike to it. Okay, I was meant to be like, why did we put this in the first place?
But why do you need this scooter?
You remember little Cecilia Crespo? The one with the bad breath, they called her Dracona? This is her bike. Beauty, eh? She made fun of my hair. She said it was crispy, so we play a little prank on her, eh? And it benefits you and the revolution to boot.
Oh, alright, they're fighting.
And how does stealing Cecilia's stupid scooter benefit me?
Don't be slow, Rico. I take the bike, I break it apart. The guys use it to make more bikes. Everyone gets bikes, everyone wins, except the Dracona. She won't be happy, but that's the point.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a second.
Tank or an RPG
Hold on.
Scooter.
Light bulb.
Yes.
Wait a
And
second.
if you bring down Diravelo's bases,
Give
my boys
me
can learn about
just
the
a second,
and
because
bring
I
them to
think
you.
I have
But
an
don't
idea.
bring any of that
Wait,
stuff to
can
my
I grapple
garages.
while I'm on?
Why not?
I can't. Okay.
It throws too much heat, Rico. I've got to keep a low profile to provide the service.
Wait, I think.
provide.
What the hell? Okay. Can I like hang it off the edge or something? The helicopter? Oh my god, it's going super fast. Oh, wait, I have something. These two, but wait, stop! Okay. Car, I'm gonna need you to get the crap out of the way for a second. Okay, let me pull up closer to the helicopter. I'm trying to stick the grapple onto the helicopter, and then I'll fly the helicopter so I don't have to drive the small ass scooter. Alright. Boom. Alright. I don't know if this will work, but let's give it a shot. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Oh, this isn't good. Stop! Yeah. The scooter was destroyed, yeah. Okay. What the crap? It doesn't even make any sense because they're basically gonna destroy it either way. I'm giving it to Mario so Mario can destroy it, so what the crap? If I destroy it, it doesn't even matter. Or am I missing, am I not paying attention? Am I missing the concept? I don't understand. What is happening? I don't even understand. Please, somebody explain to me. Alright, so this is the plan, guys. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're going to drive or fly the helicopter very securely. Very securely. I'm gonna like go very slow and make sure this scooter does not get destroyed.
But why do you need this scooter?
You remember little Cecilia Crespo? The one with the bad breath, they called her Dracona? This is her bike. Beauty, eh? She made fun of my hair. She said it was crispy, so we play a little prank on her, eh? And it benefits you and the revolution to boot.
And how does stealing Cecilia's stupid scooter benefit me?
Wait, did I just pass it?
Rico,
Did
I
pass
take the
helicopter?
bike, I break it apart. The guys use it to make more bikes. Everyone gets bikes, everyone wins, except the Dracona. She won't be happy, but that's the point.
It occurs to me that a tank or an RPG might be more useful than this scooter.
Yes, and if you bring down Diravelo's bases, my boys can learn about the vehicles kept there and bring them to you. But don't bring any of that stuff to my garages.
Too bad. Bring in the helicopter.
It throws too much heat, Rico. I've got to keep a low profile to provide the services I provide.
Ah! I can't fly straight! Ah! Help! Oh my god. Okay, okay. Wait for these stupid cars to pass, and then... Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try and be as careful as I can. I don't trust me, guys. I don't even trust myself right now. Okay. Okay. Now, let's not go all over the place. Okay. Make sure it hangs low. Okay. Going as slow as. Oh my God, we literally had it. We were doing so well. It was perfectly secure down there when I was flying high, and guess the crap what? Guess the crap what? It crashed into a bridge. What the crap, man? What the crap? I don't understand. I guarantee you, if this was GTA and I had a cargo bob and the hook was onto a bike, and the same scenario just happened but in GTA, that bike would have survived and would have turned out in perfect condition. It literally...
But why do you need this scooter?
We've heard this so many times, I just want to get this done.
You remember little Cecilia Crespo? The one with the bad breath, they called her Dracona? This is her bike.
Nobody cares,
She made
Mario. Shut your
We
face.
played a little prank on her, eh? And
We've
it benefits
heard
you
this
and
so
the revolution
many
to boot.
times.
And how does stealing Cecilia's stupid scooter benefit me?
Don't be slow. Rico, I take the bike, I break it apart. The guys use it to make more bikes. Everyone gets bikes, everyone wins, except the Dracona. She won't be happy, but that's the point.
Oh, so that's why he wants me to bring the friggin' bike, so he can destroy it and use the parts to get new bikes.
It occurs to me that
You
a
know what,
tank
sir?
or an RPG might be more useful than this scooter.
You're crashing into my bike.
Yes.
No.
And if you bring down Diravelo's bases, my boys can learn about the vehicles kept there and bring them to you. But don't bring any of that stuff to my garages.
Why not?
It throws too much heat, Rico. I've got to keep a low profile to provide the services I provide.
Screw you and your bike. Say goodbye. And that's a funny now, huh? 5, 6. Now it's definitely gonna get destroyed. Got damaged twice. Well, it's probably not even gonna make a difference because it got damaged like 0 times, and I crashed it into that bridge, and apparently it destroyed it. So, all right, we're gonna keep trying this, guys. I refuse to drive this freaking scooter 681 meters from where I'm standing. It's not happening. Those freaking 5 miles an hour. It's not happening. Sorry, it's not. Crap! Stop it! Ah! I always scream at them. Okay. Land it carefully, carefully. Perfect. Okay. Now we take the bike. We get it up close to the helicopter. Like right here. We get off the bike. Oh wait a second. I didn't hook it yet. Hold on. So right here and right here. Okay. Now we very carefully we take off slowly. slowly. Okay. Don't crash into the bridge, please, 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 please. Okay. Oh. I'm going a little bit too fast. I'm so scared! It's all over the place right now, guys. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're almost there. It's almost done, guys. We're fine. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna wait, stop. I need to stop for it to stop swinging here for a second. Okay. We're gonna slowly land the helicopter, bringing the bike to the garage.
Welcome back, Rico.
Yes!
Just park the bike right on the blue painted area.
Finally, we did it. Are you serious? Are you serious? Don't tell me I have to start from the beginning, please, please, no. It's too bad to be true. Oh, please, game, please. Please, I'm begging you. Don't have me start from the beginning. Don't. Listen, man,
Welcome
okay,
back,
good.
Rico. Just park the bike right on the blue painted area.
Okay, great. It all did it for me. Alright. Cool. The vehicle is now unlocked and it appears in your rebel drop list.
They work fast, Mario, but I'm still stuck
Okay,
with...
I thought I had to start from the beginning. I was about to
Got
frickin'
them.
lose my
I'm not
shite.
sure how these help me.
Throw them to tell my delivery guys where to drop your equipment. Just pick what you want using my new Rebel Drop app.
Select the vehicles category. Motorcycles. This. For now, select the... Oh. Okay. I don't want to have the eagle though. I want to do this one. And two additional weapons. Oh wait, no. If this can get off my screen, I can actually... Alright, we'll do this one. And for dual wield, we'll do... Oh, these are exotics. Okay. These are the ones I already have. What about this one? Nah, I'll do this one. And then special, I already have. The comlink. Right. Oh, I think it has to be... Does it have to be the eagle? Oh, okay.
Yes, you're getting a chopper. So, throw the beacon to a spot with enough space to take off and land and everything.
Oh, so I think it delivers me ammo too, right?
And voila!
Not bad, Mario.
You bet your ass. Anytime you need anything, just use the app. But we can only supply what you can find, so get cracking.
Oh yeah! Alright, I admit it, guys. It was worth it.
Hey!
Freaking bike and crap.
Ah, I should have figured you'd survive.
How fast does this
What do
really
you
shoot
need?
though? Dang.
You've sure put a bee in Di Ravello's bonnet, and Costa del Porto is about to suffer the brunt of his, disappointment. I thought you and your pal would like to know.
Thanks, Sheldon. Mario, you there?
I heard it. I'll meet you outside of town.
You used to race cars before the night of the bonfires, huh, Rico? I hope you're not rusty. Take a spin and see how well you do.
Do I still kind of have the beacon, or? That's not what I want to do. Rebel drop, man. Bro, what else do we got here? We got other rocket launchers. We got grenade launchers. We got snipers, which I've already seen. They're not that good. What the heck is this? Dang, that looks sick. What is this? Oh my goodness. Jeez, those literally look so cool. Right. And then there's other stuff. Okay. Ah! Ow. What the crap? Alright, I'm gonna end it here, guys. This has been Just Cause 3. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, maybe comment. And, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.